We are doing Kirkland Beef Lasagna. There it is. Now we've done the lasagna before with the sausage, but this is the beef one. So we thought we'd try this out and taste it. Now, important, you don't want to thaw it out or put it in the fridge, so directly from freezer to the oven. Instructions are, take this off and make it into a tent. Okay, so that's what it looks like. There you go. That's gonna have to be our tent because these sides aren't, I can't bend it anymore. Again, I'm sure that's just for the airflow. Cook it for about 2 hours, it says. And then the last 15 minutes, I'm supposed to remove that so that it can brown the cheese. So simple, doesn't get easier than this. Preheat the oven, 375. And now I'm gonna put it in there. Set timer for 2 hours. While we wait, made with 100% USDA choice grade ground beef, vine ripened tomatoes, whole milk mozzarella cheese, whole milk with ricotta cheese, and made in the USA. Amen to that. Okay, now the nutritional facts are 12 servings in here. Got 15 grams of fat, 30 grams of carbs, 20 grams of protein. Okay, so can feed a lot of people. All right, we've got about 8 minutes left in the 2 hours in. Okay, so pop that off, take the tent off it. We're about an hour and 50 minutes in. So the last 15 minutes or so, you're supposed to leave it like that so that it'll brown that cheese. Looks good, smells good. Looks like temperature or cooking time seems to be all right. So we'll see if following the directions equals perfect lasagna. I'm hoping. All right, here we go. Okay, check that out. It's bubbling. There you go. Okay, so now what we're supposed to do once we take it out of the oven is let it stand for 12 minutes, which means you let it rest for 12 minutes, which means you let it sit here for 12 minutes, which means you Okay, and meanwhile, while we're waiting for that, we took some of that sourdough bread that we did on that sourdough bread review right here, put some butter, some garlic salt, and some mozzarella cheese, and check that out. So we're making that so we can have with the lasagna. So, real simple. All right, we've let it stand now for a little over 12 minutes, but come on in. Check this out. Let's hope that we got it nice and cooked all the way through. I'm hoping we did. We're gonna try it out and see. You got that crusty top, so I think that's perfect. Okay, right in the middle, I'm gonna feel it, just see. Oh yeah, it's cooked. It's nice and warm. So I got the neighborhood boys over, some young growing men who need to eat, so they're gonna taste test this with us. We're gonna test this out. Now, this is beef. Do you guys like lasagna? You fans of it in the first place? So yes. Before you eat it, you like lasagna?
Yes.
Okay, so, oh, you're iffy? All right. Give it a taste.
Can't tell the difference.
From
good.
what?
It tastes awesome.
You like it?
I can't tell it's beef. Like, what's normal?
How does this compare to like your mom's homemade lasagna?
We don't do that.
Just kidding. Yeah, we don't do that either around here. So they'll eat it all. James, what's your thought? You have an opinion?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Is it better than you thought? Not as good as you thought?
Yeah, it's better than normal lasagna.
Oh, is it?
I don't like normal lasagna very much. So.
What does your mom make normal lasagna?
No.
Make sure she doesn't watch this one. If I'm picking, I'm probably going with the sausage one. Yep. And that's just because I like spicier food, but that's just me. Okay, this is my son. You guys get to see him every once in a while. This is Grayson. What do you think?
I didn't get any beef yet, so.
No beef?
No.
Yeah, there's lots of cheese, huh? Look at all that cheese.
Yeah.
Love the cheese. That's good.
7.5.
7.5?
7.5.
James?
Probably like 8.
8?
It's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it like an 8 too. I'm liking it. I'm not a big hamburger dude.
Filmer guy.
And
an 8.
Ben gives it an 8. You're a 7.5, so you're the lowest. I guess we're gonna give that pretty much a thumbs up. Tastes good, pretty much what you expected. You can see how much that'll feed. I've got 4 of us. We all had pretty big plates, so we can feed a lot of people.
There's a lot more lasagna in the beef one compared to the Italian sausage one.
Hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Remember, like, share, comment, all those fun things that make this little channel grow. And remember, love those people around you hard. Love them hard. Okay, bye. This is straight up hamburger meat and lasagna. This is good. We're gonna eat it tonight. We're not going to McDonald's. Whoa, you okay over there? Clean that up.